High five everybody, I'm Dom Lagace. Today I'm gonna help you to learn a new trick. Today we're going to talk about carving. Carving, it's one of the most important basic tricks in wake surfing. After you know the sweet spot, you can let go the rope. At the beginning, you can keep the rope in your hand and try to go up and down the wave with the rope. Be able to go up the wave, you're going to put more weight on your toes, it's going to bring you up the wave, and when you're going to release the weight on your toes, you're going to go down the wave. You can also use your legs to push. You're gonna push with your legs to go up the wave and come to the top of the wave with your legs straight, and to go back down, you're gonna bend your knee a little bit to go back down the wave. Also, really important, control the nose of your board. If you look, when I go up the wave, my nose of my board going a little bit more inside, and when I go down the wave, the nose of my board going a little bit towards the outside to go down the wave. Enjoy your carving.